How to trade your crypto to Naira. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you the best platform that you can trade your crypto to Naira without fear of being scammed. Hello guys, welcome to Jiniga Finance. So if you are looking for a way to trade your crypto to Naira, Redotpay app is the best app that you can use to do that. They have a new feature that allows you to trade peer to peer. So the traders will give you your money in any Nigerian bank. So there are different traders that deal with different volumes. So depending on the volume of crypto that you want to trade, you will see somebody that is willing to trade with you. It is important to know that the platform acts as a middleman, as an escrow. So when you log into the platform to do your trade, they are going to hold your money, your crypto, first of all, until you confirm that the trader on the other side has sent you the value. And when you've confirmed that that value has been sent to you, before the platform will release the money to the trader, so nobody is cheated on any end. So if you're interested in using Redotpay app, use the link in the description box wherever you are watching it, or pinned comments, or use the code you can see on the screen. Remember to like and follow this page for more videos like this. Thank you.